Hey! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to Locs with Kayla. This channel is all about love, light, and locks. So, without further ado, what we all came here for: lock maintenance tips. So as you can see, I do have over 30 inches of locked hair. I have been growing my locks for 16 years. I have this curl out by doing a pipe cleaner. Actually, these are the Microlocs. If you haven't seen how to do the Microloc curls, watch this video up here. It's this little eye in the corner. Click that. I give you an all extensive video on what to do with Microlocs, how I feel about them. I'm not going to go too much into that because I have a video for it, but I do have locks, once again, that I have been growing for 16 years, and there's a lot of things that I've picked up and learned along the way, and I'm here to share it with you. So before we get into that though, I want to show you guys my Amazonite earrings by Blues Traveling Jewels, as well as my kyanite ring. Is it gonna focus? Come on, focus. Boom. I always stay with some type of healing stone on me, some type of aromatherapy, something to keep my chakras balanced. And Blue has wonderful jewels with wonderful energy. I highly recommend her for all of your spiritual needs. So the first lock maintenance tip that I have for you is to always wear a bonnet at night. If you do not currently own a bonnet, get you a bonnet. I sell these bonnets. I love them. They have a Velcro strap. They are unmatched. They do not slip off at night. They're satin lined, and they have this like pad at the top that is freaking amazing. If you're interested in one, I sell them for 10 bucks plus shipping. So feel free to reach out to me for this bomb bonnet, for lack of better words. And my next tip, number 2, shower cap. You see how big my shower cap is? There are no locks that come out of this shower cap, okay? And I wear this every time I shower, unless I'm washing my hair. That is a pro tip. You don't want your edges slipping out, and you also don't want your edges being dry unnecessarily, because all of that steam is just cleansing your hair of all of your good microbiota. It also kind of gives it a funky smell too, so keep that in mind. Excess water does create or lead to mildew. So my next tip is to wash your hair weekly. So this goes into that mildew thing. If you are noticing that your hair smells funky, you need to wash it more. If your hair is itching, you need to wash it more. In general, you most likely need to wash your hair more. Anything that you're feeling, any insecurities that you have, it most likely is coming from either how much you're washing or what you're washing with. So get those two in order and you'll be great. My number 3 tip for lock maintenance is pay someone if you have to. I'm all about low maintenance and doing it yourself. That's why we got locks, right? But sometimes there's some things that may be going on with your hair that you do not understand. And not understanding, you can only lead to, you're gonna figure it out. But if you want to figure it out the hard way, that's on you. I personally just recommend paying someone because I have had locks for so long and I've been through so many things when it comes to having locks that a lot could be avoided just by talking to a professional. So if that professional requires payment, then pay them. But if not, at least reach out. Do your part for your hair. My either 4th or 5th tip is to condition and oil your hair if necessary. So by if necessary, that only pertains to the conditioner. You only need to condition your hair if your hair has been damaged in some way or if it's lacking. So if you have color treated your hair, if you have heat treated your hair before you got locks or with them, make sure that you're conditioning to put back in that nutrients that may be lacking. For oil, you only need to oil your scalp. Your scalp is the only skin that is present on this organ system, if we want to call it that. So when it comes to oiling your hair, the scalp is where you will get all of that nutrients, all of that richness. And I also have provided you guys with a video on what oils that you should use in your hair for what reason. So check that video out and come back and comment below if it was helpful for you. And my last tip, listen to your locks. They talk. They will let you know, like, actions, feelings, behavior. They will definitely let you know if your hair is dull, if it is brittle, if it is falling off. It is saying, mommy, I need nutrients, I need water, I need oil, I need a sealant, I need repair. If your hair is thinning, listen to your hair. If your hair is thick, you know what I'm saying, you're doing great. So make sure that you're allowing your hair to have a relationship with you, and that is not a dictatorship, because nothing thrives when being suppressed. Yay! I hope this was helpful. I feel good about the things that I've said. If you feel like I left anything out, let me know. Or if there's anything that you've learned throughout your lock journey, please share with the family. We are wanting to know, trust and believe. If you can save anyone some hardship, you are a blessing. And even if you don't comment below, you're a blessing for watching. Thanks so much for coming to my channel. I wish you love and light. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.